Good Tuesday. What are we making? We have to make this. I've never had it. Okay. I need my glasses. If you have any kids in the room, you should ask them to step out because we are making Pasta Puttanesca. I don't know if you've ever had Pasta Puttanesca. I haven't had Pasta Puttanesca. Capers, olives, tomato, anchovies, olive oil, and garlic. Very simple ingredients. And what does puttanesca mean? Apparently puttanesca kind of translates to whore or prostitute. I'm not kidding! Pasta whore prostitute. Google it, there's a wiki. The only place I really like anchovies is in a Caesar salad. So will I like anchovies in a sauce? And we're going to cook it in our stainless steel skillet. Oh my God. And we're going to cook it in our V10 skillet. Make the pasta in our stainless steel stock pot. It's just easier, faster. It's faster. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Fresh Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. Oh, it's hot. It's gonna be hot. Here we go. Oh, you know what I need? I need a spoon. Let's try again. Ooh, big piece, big mouth. Oh. That's very good. Try this. I really like that. It's too long, man. Hold on. You can never have enough Parmesan. I'm using my fingers. I like this. It was very easy to make. Hold on. I don't taste the anchovies. Maybe I needed more anchovies? There are 4 anchovies in there. It melds into the tomato sauce. If you're afraid of anchovies, you might actually like this. Holy moly! The Kalamata olives do have a real kick. Maybe the Gaeta would have less punch, but I like that. I like the punch. I'm happy. This is very tasty. Thank you for joining me this Tuesday. Puttanesca. Try some whore pasta. Try some prostitute pasta. That was very tasty. You know what I'm going to say. Thanks for watching.